This is the SoundSpot Bluetooth speaker from Soundfreaq. Hi, Dan for your diary. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Soundfreaq SoundSpot Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker has an MSRP of $69.99. It comes in a number of different colors. Soundfreaq actually just expanded the color offerings for the holiday season of this. It is a small Bluetooth speaker. It'll give you 7 hours of music streaming, plus it will function as a device charger at the same time. It is really cool looking. It is a really nice speaker. It actually sounds remarkably good for something this small and something that is under $70. Let's take a closer look at the speaker itself. So in the package, you're going to get some warranty information and you're going to get a brief instruction manual. It's pretty self-explanatory, but there is an instruction manual inside as well. You get a USB to micro USB charging cable, and you get a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter patch cable. This is useful if you want to attach an audio source to the speaker not using Bluetooth, if you want a hardwired solution. But it's also useful if you want to actually purchase more than one SoundSpot and daisy chain them. You can do that so that you can get bigger sound, and you can actually use them. It would create a really nice aesthetic in a room to have a number of them in a row, especially since they come in such a varied offering of colors. So this is the Soundfreaq SoundSpot speaker. It is about the size of a CD or DVD jewel case. This one is white and wood color. As you can see, it comes in black and it comes in all sorts of really cool colors. You have this nifty little logo right here, and obviously the speaker right here. Here on the bottom, you've got some information about the speaker itself, and the two sides have nothing but this really interesting ribbing, and especially if you've got the two tones, it really does create a nice look to it. So here on the back, you've got your micro USB port for charging the speaker. You've got a power out port, a full-size USB. It is a 5-volt, 500 milliamp hour port, so you can charge a lot of different mobile devices from the speaker. It will obviously affect the amount of streaming time you get from it, but this can serve as an external battery as well if you have it with you, so that you can have a speaker that also means you don't need to necessarily carry an external battery because you've got one in here. You've got your auxiliary in and your auxiliary out. Auxiliary in is for the 3.5 millimeter cable to allow you to connect an audio source in a wired manner. An auxiliary out would allow you to daisy chain to another Soundfreaq SoundSpot speaker. So you could put a number of them in a row using the aux in and aux out ports. Over here, you've got 3 different sound offerings. Tone offerings. You've got flat, warm, and bright, so you can affect the sound quality coming from the Soundfreaq simply by toggling this in different directions to get the equalizer that you like, that you enjoy, depending upon the music that you're listening to. Here on the top, the buttons are pretty self-explanatory. You've got your power button right here. You've got a pairing button right here. You've got your track forward right here. You've got your play pause button right here. You've got your track back right here, and you've got your volume up and your volume down right here. All of them along the top, all of them fully accessible when you're listening to the speaker. But there is another way to actually control the speaker. There is a free Soundfreaq remote app. You can download that, and once the speaker is connected to your iOS or your Android device, you can use that to control the speaker as well. So you can do it physically along the top, or you can do it using the remote app. In the written review over on Gear Diary, we will show all of the different colors of this. One of the things I really love, it has a kind of a mid-century design to it, which I happen to personally love, but I also do love the fact that you can get a whole array of different colors, and if you did buy a bunch of these, you can put them together and really have a really neat looking wall of sound. As far as sound goes, it actually sounds really good. It's a small speaker. One might not expect it to sound all that good, but they would be wrong. I didn't find a lot of distortion. It's not going to sound like a $300-400 system, but it's not intended to. This is under $70. It is as much about design as it is enjoying your sound. It's about flexibility, enjoying your sound, wired or Bluetooth, controlling it physically or using the remote app. It is the SoundSpot from Soundfreaq. A really, really nice little Bluetooth speaker and a terrific holiday gift if you're looking to buy something for a music lover and a gadget lover. This is Dan for Gear Diary. Thanks very much for watching.